If you're using Microsoft 365, you should be using OneDrive to sync your computer files so you can access them from anywhere. Stick around, I'll be showing you exactly how to do this and a bonus tip at the end. Microsoft 365 has so many amazing productivity tools. Whether you're a newbie or an expert, our channel has tons of tips and tricks to help you maximize your productivity with Microsoft 365. OneDrive is personal cloud storage that allows you to save files to the cloud and access them from anywhere. One benefit that many do not know about is you can actually sync your desktop, documents, pictures, and videos to OneDrive. That way, you can log in from any device and access your files. No more waiting until you're actually at your computer to keep work moving. Here are the steps on how to get this done. Click the tray icon on the bottom right-hand side of your screen. Click OneDrive, open Settings, and click Backup. Next, Manage Backup. From here, you can choose what folders on your computer that you'd like to back up. And that's it. That simple step, and now you've unlocked another hidden gem with the Microsoft Productivity Suite. Here's a quick bonus tip. Your files will have icons next to them that look like this. This one means that your files are currently only in the cloud and not on your local hard drive. So if you click on them, it's going to download it to your local hard drive so you can keep working. This one means that the files are both on your local hard drive and in the cloud. And this one means you've chosen that you always want to keep these files and folders on your local hard drive. But don't worry, they'll also be synced to the cloud. If you have any questions about OneDrive or Microsoft 365, please reach out. We would be happy to help.